Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. I'm not supposed to upload any video today, but because of some amazing people on this channel, I decided to make this video today. I feel really bad that a lot of you cannot earn online due to location barrier. Even some of the platforms that work in your location, you're obviously too lazy to tap into these opportunities that I show you on this channel, which is AI training. But for today, I'm still going to talk about Luel AI. You know why? Luel AI is one of the platforms that accepts Nigerians. Nigeria is my headache on this channel. I really feel so bad that I can't even help you the way you want. Yeah, so I'm talking about Luel AI, which is the only platform that I've seen that some of you said, oh, we've signed up and you're trying to complete your first task, right? Then you asked me, how do you complete your first task on the platform, which is the recorded egocentric POV video. That's what I'm talking about today. Okay, I'm going to walk you through a little bit of how you're going to do it and the equipment you need to get as well. There are cheap equipment you can get for this. Getting this equipment is very important because you can use it for tasks on other platforms, so it's not a waste of money if you get them. I'll be showing you how to go about it so that you can get the equipment. They still have tasks available that you can do, and then we'll start from there. Finish the task, submit. Let's wait for the payment side. I do want to talk about the payment method. When I first signed up, the only option for me was Stripe and Wise. PayPal was not enabled. But as I'm looking at my account now, PayPal is enabled, meaning that I can cash out via PayPal. All I need is to input my full legal name and my email address. Then I cash out via PayPal and it comes into your wallet between 1 to 3 business days. So you see, this is the only platform that I've seen so far that allows you to cash out via PayPal. So you don't have to worry about Stripe if you don't live in the UK, US and Canada. Browse task. This is where you browse task. These are the available tasks, although I let them expire because the money is too small for me. If you know what I do, you will understand that the money is too small. I feel like I'm wasting my time doing this $9 per hour tasks. But for you who live in Nigeria, $9 is like 8,000 naira. Is worth it, isn't it? Drop in the comments if $9 per hour is worth it for you. So this is my dashboard. I've let all these tasks expire without doing them. I did it on purpose. Quickly, the one that brought me here today is this particular one, because they've been bringing these videos a lot, because they've been bringing this task a lot. Guys, I forget to mention, subscribe to this channel. All right, some of you watch and pass. Watch, like, comment, let me know where you're joining. Let me know how is doing you. Let's talk on a normal level. Let me know where is hooking you. Okay, subscribe to the channel, and if you're new, seeing me for the first time, subscribe to the channel and share with someone else. The first one was the egocentric POV video. That one has expired. This one too was here last week. It has expired. English conversational audio, any accent, it has expired now. And they were paying $19.80. So this is the one that is still available. So how do you do it? When you open this, you see submit button. Then it will ask you to give access to your mic. So they are preparing the romance challenge. So I will allow while visiting the site. Okay, so if you're ready, you click on I'm ready. I don't really know why they're testing, but let's just see. Okay, it says that this helps them verify my identity and for future submission. So if I click I'm ready, it says confirm your audio. Before the countdown begins, make sure your mic sounds good and there is no echo or feedback. My voice sounds clear and loud. Start countdown. So this is the task here. This is a first person video of origami or paper craft, 8+ steps. They are collecting egocentric first-person POV video of origami or paper folding cutting craft from start to finish with at least 8 distinct folding or manipulation steps. Example: crane, modular units, boxes, origami, head or chest mounted camera. So I'm going to show you guys what head and chest mounted camera looks like. Hands and paper must be in frame for the vast majority of the clip. For procedural understanding, step segmentation, and fine motor AI. Video orientation and lens. So this is the video orientation. It must be landscape. If you do it on portrait mode, it will be rejected. The lens must be wide angle. So if I'm recording this video, I'm going to be using my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which has a wide angle lens that I can attach to my camera. So you need a wide angle lens. I don't know the type of phone you use. It has to be wide angle. And so they give example of a GoPro, Insta360, DJI Action, or fish eye standard phone cameras will be rejected. I saw someone on YouTube who used his phone. We said, okay, some people said Samsung and iPhone work as well. So you need a camera head. Your camera must be head mounted or chest mounted, and then you go through the task so you can submit up to 10 submissions. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is a chest and head mount. This is a chest mount here like this. So when you have it on your chest, then you can capture whatever you want to capture, whatever you're doing. Then this is the head mount. If you want to have the camera on your head while you do the task, this will enable you capture your hands and the thing you're doing. If you're cooking or cleaning or the craft, it will enable you capture your hands and whatever you're doing. Okay, so this is it here. This is what it looks like. So go grab it. If you want to do this work we're doing here, go and grab your own chest. I see some of you said you've got it already. That's fine. If you haven't, go get yours. Chest or head mount. It's selling for £12 66p on Amazon, but I also checked them out on Temu. I checked them out on Temu and they're selling cheaper. Okay, they're selling it very cheap. They're selling it for £3.43p on Temu. Okay, so if you have access to Temu, you can go grab it on Temu and let them deliver it to you or wherever you want to get it. So this is what you need for Luel AI. If you actually want to, work on Luel AI, you need to get that. So whilst they have enabled my PayPal payment method, I better activate it now. They said my PayPal has been linked successfully, that I can now request payment via PayPal. So it is ready. The first time I signed up, it wasn't ready, but now it's ready. I can cash out via PayPal, although I have Stripe account. If you've signed up already and you're accepted into this platform, check if your PayPal has been enabled. If it has, link PayPal and start working. Start working. I know that some of these platforms don't work for you guys, but this one is working. Start working. Do some work first before asking about payment. How do I get my money? You haven't done any work. Do some work first and let's see. So this is all I have to show you guys today, right? Okay, let me now talk a little bit about the task. So you wear this head mount on your head or your chest. You'll be mopping if you're asked to do any random task at home, to be recording whatever you're doing, or the craft that they ask you to do, the paper craft. You can be doing the paper craft, then you capture yourself. What you're saying doesn't matter, whether you talk or not, it does not matter. All right. Then once you finish, you take it to an editing app such as CapCut. You go to CapCut, put it there, cut out the unwanted parts like the beginning and some parts maybe where someone said something, but you must make sure that you capture the entire process of you doing that 8+ steps paper craft. But you can edit it, cut out some unwanted parts that are not okay to be in the video. Then once it's ready, you now go and upload it. So if you open this like this, click on submit, then that's give your consent. It will now give you access to submit the video. then you now submit videos like that. And you can submit clip duration of 5 minutes to 1 hour at a time. Okay, I'll do this task and get back to you guys. Paper folding or cutting craft from start to finish with at least 8 distinct folding or manipulation steps. So it can be a crane, a modular unit, or boxes. I'm gonna get the materials and do this task and keep you guys updated. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. Stop sleeping on opportunities. I know you're looking for that big one. You know, you're looking for that big one. You want to be earning $50 an hour and all of that. Start from here, especially those of you in uni, in secondary school. This can be your starting point. You wouldn't need to ask for pocket money from your parents anymore. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel if you're seeing me for the first time. Bye for now.